Now I've opened up Fusion, Autodesk Fusion, to start the design process. What this design process is going to do is whatever we design, we're going to be able to put over on the CNC and cut it out from Autodesk Fusion. So first things first, up here is a little waffle. This little waffle opens up my files. So you have your project done. You're going to hit New Folder, and you're going to call it Woods 1, or the name of the class. So now I'm in the Woods 1 folder. I can hit the little waffle again to close it so I get more real estate on my screen. For this activity, we're going to draw a 6x6 block that's a 1/2 inch thick. So we're in the design panel. We have two things to work with. We have 3D and 2D. So we're going to start out with 2D. And I have 3 planes, what they're called. 1, 2, 3. This is my front plane. This is my side plane. This is my bottom plane. So I'm going to click on the bottom plane, just like it would be on the CNC. It's the bed of the CNC. And I'm going to draw a rectangle tool. Create rectangle or rectangle tool. This here is the origin. So the red line is the x-axis, the green line is the y-axis, and where those two meet is the origin, just like in math class. So we're going to click on the origin for our first corner, and I'm going to drag out. So I just clicked once. And I released the mouse button, and I'm going to drag out and across. I'm going to see these numbers happening, but I don't care what those numbers are at this point. I'm going to place it off to the side. Then I'm going to use the Sketch Dimension tool and I'm going to place a number here. Whatever I type in here is what's going to go to. So I'm going to type 6 and hit enter. Then I'm going to type 6 and hit enter. And I can roll my mouse wheel out and hit finish sketch. And you've just created your first sketch in Fusion.